Diamond shape findings form. Lay the wire in between the top raised acrylic portion and the top peg. Wrap the wire around and then hold on to the wire tightly and begin wrapping around each one of the pegs. You can also omit one or more of the pegs if you'd like. In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to wrap all 5 of them. Just keep going, wrapping around, and I'm holding the wire nice and tight so that it goes through each of the places and then wraps around the final peg and then back up. Now we're going to push down with the pusher at each one of the connections so that the wire lays as flat as possible across there. Now that we've got that done, we will remove the newly made finding from the jig. And for this one, we'll be wrapping the wire around and down on this upright here. This one will wrap here, and this one will wrap over here. We just need to make sure that we've got the same distance so our form is symmetrical. So we're going to bend this up and pull this through and take a couple of wraps right onto that upright wire. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side, and you want to hang on to it nice and tight while you take the first wrap. Make sure that doesn't do that. And just get that first wrap on there, and then things will go much smoother. Okay. Well, we've got a couple of wraps. We can tighten this up and make sure we're pretty square. And we'll do one more wrap around this. And complete one more on this side. All we need to do is to cut and tamp down that little end. Use the flush cutters, leaving the flush cut part on your finding. And then carefully bend that little sharp end in so that it doesn't catch on anything. And that gives you the diamond shape findings form.